Yeah, g'day. 4 weeks today since I had my complete total reverse shoulder replacement in my right arm. I came out of the sling today. I've been to see my GP. All looks good. I had my first physiotherapy session today. That went well, albeit a little bit painful, but I'm pretty impressed with the motion that I have. I've just got to keep working on it for the next 2 weeks. I've got some more physio appointments next week, and I have a list of exercises, gentle passive range of motion exercises. Still not allowed to use my muscles. So yeah, pretty impressive. I'll chuck on a couple of short vids of a couple of the exercises that I can do by myself, but there are a couple that I need Sharon's help with, and she's currently at the gym. So anyway, cheers for watching. Here you go. Well, I've got my arm back. I've got some movement. Slowly does it. That's more movement than I thought I would have day one. So I'm pretty happy so far. There are other exercises that I've got. So this one, pushing my arm away. Using a stick. External rotation, I'm pretty happy with that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that subscribe, hit the like and hit the notification bell. Thanks again. Bye.